Why are dragonflies called the world's top predators? Watch this video and you will understand. They can fly at speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour, and their unique wing design allows them to perform three complex flight modes. The first is out-of-phase flapping, where the four wings move asynchronously. All four wings beat up and down together, giving the dragonfly high speed and the ability to make sharp turns. The second is in-phase flapping, where the wings move together to generate powerful lift. The third is the figure-8 pattern, which allows the dragonfly to hover or circle in the air with perfect stability. About 25% of its body weight is muscle. These muscles are directly connected to the bases of its wings, giving precise control over each wing and allowing it to dodge obstacles with extreme agility. Its eyes work like super radar. Each eye is made of about 56,000 tiny lenses, like thousands of miniature telescopes combined. This gives the dragonfly a full 360-degree view and the ability to spot prey from up to 12 meters away. Most astonishing of all, it can predict the movement of its prey, adjust its flight path in advance, and intercept with deadly accuracy. Its hunting success rate reaches more than 95%, making it one of the most efficient predators in the world. Did you know this? In the comment section,